It's me, Teach. Today, we're going to make a volcano, right?
Right.
Okay. First, we need some.
What do we have first? Let's talk about what we have.
We have a volcano. We have a volcano connect.
So we have these pieces, right? These are basically the volcano molds.
Yeah,
right.
So. Kudos.
Okay, so we're gonna have to end up putting these together, and then we're gonna have to make this right here, the volcano plaster, right?
Aww.
Yeah, look, we're gonna have to mix it, and then we're gonna have to make the volcano mold, right? Then after we make the mold, we paint it with these markers.
Yeah.
And the paintbrush right here.
No.
And then we're gonna have the big finale where we make the volcano explode.
That's a good idea. Let's do that.
Yes, okay. So first, let's go ahead and let's make the mold, all right?
Okay, let's do that first.
All right.
So, I need help. Okay.
All right, so we could put it in however we like, doesn't matter.
And that too.
Yep.
And this is Harvard too.
And we're in there. There we go.
There.
Right? And we have to snap these pieces together, so then that way when we do the mold, it doesn't end up looking crazy and spilling out, right? Right?
Why?
Okay, let's do that.
So, I need help. The big Daddy is so big and he's a grown-up.
Yes, I am a grown-up. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So, yes, not be so hard. And I close my ears.
No, nothing to close your ears about. It's not loud right now. Hold on, let me fix this. It's gonna be
Okay, you gotta set it up, right, Daddy?
yeah, okay, so right here, what I need you to do, can you get the rubber band?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna hold this together and I need you to put it around so it'll stay. You got it? Hold on, let me do it. Yeah, it's tough. I'll do it.
Okay. We did it.
All right, so yeah, so we got the rubber band around, so then that way the molding, the shell stays together, right? All right.
Ooh, hello. Take it off.
No, well, yeah, we don't need it right now.
But
We'll just leave it right there. Oh, go ahead. What you about to do?
sorry. Back on.
Silly. Okay, so next we need a container so we can mix the plaster, right? And then we're gonna make our volcano.
Yeah, but with our breath.
No, the plaster, buddy. This is plaster. This is what's gonna help us make the mold.
Plaster. Ah! So I need to
No, I got this part.
Oh.
Hold on.
do it up.
Yes, adults for this part, okay?
Not for me.
Yeah.
That is dangerous. That may make me hurt.
Yeah, so you're gonna get the fun part when you get to make the volcano explode. Right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so let's mix the plaster and then we're gonna keep going.
Okay, we're going to put that in there, right, Daddy?
Okay, so for this next part, we wanted to make sure we didn't make a mess, right? So we got us a cooking sheet.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we got a volcano wall.
Yes, and Daddy made the plaster, or it could be called mud, right? Yes. All right, so we're gonna pour this in there, and then, well, really it's telling us that we have to wait 30 to 45 minutes after we pour it in there. So we have to find something to do until then, right? So for right now, let's just go ahead and pour this mold in there, And then let's move on with the next part. You ready?
Yeah,
All right, let's
and
do
we're going to mix it with that.
Yes.
And the volcano.
All right, hold on.
All
right. So our mold is set
Ooh.
and ready to paint, right?
Right, so we need some gray.
All right, so it came with gray. And then we have, what color is this?
Orange.
It's orange?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's put it to your shirt. What color is that?
Black. Black.
So what color is this?
Black.
Yeah. And what
So-
color is this?
Yellow.
Yeah.
So just squeeze it on this.
Okay. Whoa. Okay, not too much, not too much.
Now it's painted.
Yep.
I think we need some more.
That's a lot of gray. Let's change it up. Let's do another color.
So let's do red.
You gonna do red?
Yeah.
All right.
So red and black. We need red and black.
Okay. Here's red.
Thank you. You put it there.
No, don't put it inside. That's where we're gonna put the volcano, the eruption stuff.
We'll put it in the gray.
You can put it on the gray or put it on the other side. You gotta paint the whole volcano. Don't just put it on top of the gray.
Now we need which one will make.
Let me help you.
What to make? Oh, sorry.
That's fine. That's what this is for. You got this sheet right here so we can make sure that we don't have no mess, right? Or as little mess as possible. Let me put some on the side over here.
Yeah.
All right.
So just turn it around. Good.
Wait.
Look. Now we can make it.
There you
Whoa. Look at this. It's cheap. We need to turn it.
go. Need to turn it?
Mhm.
Let me help you out. Ooh. All right, there you go.
All right. Now you need some yellow. Gray. Gray and black.
Yeah. Oop. I got paint on your hand. Yellow.
Yeah. What?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Whoa.
That's it. Whoa. Whoop. Ready, started?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay. First, okay. Hey, we're going to make a volcano, right?
Yes, we made a volcano. So now that we have the volcano ready and we have it painted, now it's time for the fun part, right?
Yeah, so we need the warm water in a volcano.
Yes, but first we need eruption powder.
Yeah.
So we have eruption powder B, and we have this one that says eruption powder A.
Let's do the A first.
So we need a half teaspoon of each one. We're gonna put it in the volcano, then we're gonna add water, and then we're gonna get some magic, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's do it.
We got
Hold
it.
on.
Yeah.
Yeah, here, okay. Pour it in there. All right, pour it in there. Then we're gonna get the next kind in there.
B.
No, that was B, this is A. But that doesn't matter much. All right, in there.
Yeah.
All right. No need to mix. Next is the water. Now, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? All right.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. It's like a gap.
Look at it fizzing. It looked like a real volcano, huh?
Let's
Yeah?
do that again.
Do it again.
Okay, yes, it will go wobbly wobbly. Whoa.
All right, so we're gonna do the exact same thing we just did, except for with this step, we're gonna add some dish soap, right? It's supposed to make it a little bit more bubbly.
Ooh, now we need to make it bubbly.
All right, you ready?
You make it so wet.
You wanna pour the water this time?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Don't pour a lot. Can you hold it? Is it heavy?
It's fine.
All right.
What?
Oh, look. That looks like a lava river right there. Oh, that's fine. We'll clean it up. What a mess. That's what happens with experiments. We make messes, right? And then we clean them up.